Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix a broken pressed powder. This is, as you can see, a pretty old ELF highlighter. It's a two-toned highlighter, and I went traveling with it in my bag, and unfortunately it smashed into pieces. Only one side smashed into pieces, so that's what I'm pouring out here. And then the other side is a sort of peachy coral color. I used the peachy coral color quite a bit more, and I didn't usually use the sort of pearlescent side. So what I decided to do today is I'm going to be combining the two colors. So right now you can see that I'm taking out the pearlescent color and just trying to get along the edges there. And then this is the satisfying part. I was really looking forward to doing this. I've never had the opportunity to do this or want to do this. So here I'm just taking a toothpick along the edge of the pressed highlighter and I'm breaking it up. And it was so satisfying to do this. And just going along the other edges, and then it starts to lift there. So I just started to jab away. What you want to do is just break it into as many small chunks as possible. And then I'm just gonna dump it into the dish here and combine the two. And then along the edges of the coral highlighter, there's some leftover bits in there. So I'll just go back in with the toothpick and clean that up a little bit. So here I have a little knife spatula tool thing. I'm pretty sure it's a butter knife. I grabbed it from my kitchen drawer. I just wanted something flat that I can crush up the pieces of broken makeup in there. I'm just using this cute little Christmas plate because it's getting to be the holiday season. Yeah, so I just wanted to combine the two colors here. I'm crushing up all the pieces and creating a fine powder. So I'm going to continue doing that. Okay, so here's where it really starts to come together. I'm using 99% isopropyl alcohol and just adding, they say to add a few drops online. I added obviously a little bit more than a few drops. I think the tutorial I was looking at was maybe for a little bit of an eyeshadow. This is obviously a little bit more than an eyeshadow. So the idea is you want to form a paste out of the powder that you created. So just, add sparingly, and you can always add a little bit more alcohol in there. The alcohol evaporates, so that's why you don't want to be using oil or water or anything. The alcohol is going to evaporate super quickly, and then you'll be just left with the makeup in a pressed form again. So I just added a little bit more rubbing alcohol to the mixture. There was a bit of dry powder that I found in the middle. So I just wanted to make sure everything's well incorporated, all the colors are mixed together. Here's another really satisfying part for me. Not this part. I'm just sort of briefly and oh so hygienically prepping the container with a paper towel. I probably should have, wiped this down and sanitized it, but I absolutely did not. So I'm just dumping the product into the little palette or whatever you want to call it. I don't know. What do you call these empty containers, makeup containers? And then I'm just sort of like leveling it out. First, I want to make sure that I'm getting as much product and makeup off of the little Christmas plate as possible. Scraping the edges here. But yeah, the next part, the leveling part, it was really satisfying for me. So I'll just let you have a look. Right, so I've tamped this thing out as much as I feel I want to. I found some little bits of dry product on the towel, so I just threw those on top. And yeah, this is pretty much leveled out. I'm interested to see how much it evaporates. So all I'm gonna do is, close the lid, put it somewhere safe where it's going to stay level and it's not going to get bumped or knocked over or anything like that. And then I'll give you guys an update about how it turns out. Okay, so it's been about 24 hours. I relocated this little highlighter palette to a safer location, only because I had to open the lid of the palette. It wasn't evaporating as quickly as I wanted it to. So yeah, I think that was just because the lid was closed and that was it. So that seemed to help. And the alcohol evaporated quite a bit. And yeah, it's cracked down the middle from the evaporation, which is fine. And the two colors mixed together look really nice, I think. It's sort of peachy with gold highlights in there, really luminescent. I think it's really pretty, and it's going to last me for a long time. And I'm pretty happy with the results. So yeah, I'm just going to show you here what it looks like. So yeah, just testing it out. Again, I'm really happy with the results. Very, very pretty. I knew that what the color scheme was before, but yeah, I'll just show you what it looks like on the back of my hand as well. So here's the really pretty gold, peachy, shimmery highlighter and the makeup back in its original whole state. I hope that you guys liked my video. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever had to fix makeup before and if you tried another way and it worked for you. Thanks again for watching my video. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and throw my video a like, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.